one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are times in life when you feel exposed, as if there's too much that has hit you for too long. You may have been worn down by the battles of life, by waiting, by the weight of the things which have stood against you. But the Lord is reminding you that He is your refuge. What looks worn out is not beyond restoration in His hands. The Lord is your shelter in this time of uncertainty, your shelter in unstable times. Ancient ruins are being restored, being made whole. For the Lord says, I am your security, I am your strength. I am the one who is bringing the light of my glory, the light of my presence. And where my light is, there is healing. Where my light is, there is freedom. For I am your tower of refuge. I am your place of security. Look to me and rejoice in this day. Look to me, for I am making all things new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.